Alright, so right now we're going to go through the TOETs for the AGS-17. They're a version of the grenade launcher. I'll say the words of command the way Canadians do it on a range, and then I will repeat them in Ukrainian because they do their drills differently. So right off the bat, on the side here, you'll notice there's the safety, okay? Just so nobody gets confused. So, individual safety precautions, go. Clear. Good. With a 28 round drum, load. Jetted Zai. Enemies to your front, go on. Vohan. Weapons firing, weapons stops. So the number 2 inspects the drum, ensures that the link is being fed, as the number 1 cocks the action. And then they continue firing. The weapon still fails to fire. So all that happened is the fire cocked the weapon, put it on safe, open the feed tray. Number 2 inspects the rounds and the link, make sure it's seated properly. Number 1 then closes the feed tray, takes it off safe, and continues firing. These are the only TOETs that the Ukrainians have for this weapon system. Unload. Rozjay. Clear. So once the weapon is unloaded, like every other Ukrainian weapon system on the firing line, he will clear the action and the ARSO will stay until he hears the trigger being fired. This is extremely important. Okay. Also, when pulling back the cord, okay, the best way to describe it is like a lawnmower. You cannot ride it. If you ride the cord or the action, alright, it will create stoppages. Also, 1 in every 100 rounds are expected to go off once you cock the action. Alright, this is just the way their weapon systems work. It's not 100% foolproof. Excuse me. You cock the action and let it go forward, it might strike the primer and the round might fire on its own. Alright? Statistics of that happening are very slim, however, you should be aware that it might happen. These were the TOETs for the AGS-17.